So I've given two questions, two word problems on real number as your assignment. First one, find the smallest number which leaves remainders 8 and 12 when divided by 28 and 32 respectively. Okay, and answer is given 204. You will try yourself. And the next one, a circular field has a circumference of 360 km. Three cyclists start together and can cycle 48, 60 and 72 km a day around the field in the same direction. When will they meet again? Answer is after 30 days. So these are your assignment. You'll try, and in the next video lecture I'll give the solution. I'll explain and you can check your answers. Okay. Okay, next, a different kind of question. Express HCF of 468 and 222 as a linear relation or linear expression of the numbers in two different ways. That means what? That means the HCF of these two numbers has to be expressed in this way form, that is 468 into some integer plus 222 into some other integer. So this is a linear relation between the numbers. In two different ways means I have to find two different values of x and y. That is the meaning. So let's see how we can do this. I have to express the HCF in this form. That is the linear relation between linear expression of the numbers is this one. So for that we'll find out the HCF first, and that we do by the Euclid's division algorithm. As you know, we divide the bigger one by the smaller number. It will go by 2. In this way, you know how to do it. So it will go by 24, and check with what it will go. 24 into 9, I think. Yes, 24 into 9 is 216. 216, and the remainder is 6. Yes, 4 plus 2, 6. Remainder is 6, and we have to divide this 20 divisor 24. This time it goes by 4. So 6 is the HCF. Let us see. So that means HCF is came out to be 6. So our expression should be like this: 6 is equal to 468 x plus 222 y. That is the relation. Now I have to find the values of x and y, that is value of two integers. So how can we find this? That method I will be showing you. So first of all, what will I do? I'll write this division process as in division algorithm and lemma method. So the first thing will be what? 468 is equal to 222 into 2. Let me write a bit. Let me write here. 468 is equal to 222 into 2 plus remainder was 24. Then this 222 will come here. As you know the division algorithm, remainder is the divisor and quotient was 9 and the remainder was 6. And then the last step, 24 is the dividend now and the remainder is the divisor, and 6 4 and the remainder 0, so stop. So this is the division algorithm. Now what we do? Now we'll move in the reverse process now to get this kind of expression. So what we do? We start from the this is the last step, no? So we start from this one, the one step before the last step. We start from this one, this step, this one, the step before the last one. What we do? Here is the HCF. So I write this from this step. 6 can be written, this 6 can be written as 222, 222 minus 24 into 9. Then from this I have started. I started from here. Now I move to this step. Come to this step. So in this step, what will you do? You see, this 24, this can be replaced from this step. So 6 is equal to 2, 2, 2 minus. Now you see what we do. In this step, I replace the remainder in this way. So in this case, this is the remainder that can be replaced from this 468 minus this. So here you see this 24 can be written as 468, write a bracket, 468 minus 2, 2, 2 into 2. This is your 24, then into 9. So if I mark as step 1 and this is step 2. So this came from 2 and this is from 1. Right in bracket. Okay, so I have started from the step just before the last one where I remainder is the HCF. So this HCF express this minus this, then this one is replaced from this previous step. This is equal to this minus this. So in place of 24 I have written 468 minus this one and this into 9 is there. So this you have done. Now you see here this 24 been replaced, only 222 and 468 numbers are there, so I can stop now. So what will you do? I'll like group this 222 will group. So 222 minus 468 into 9. 468 into 9. Then minus into minus plus 222 into 2 into 9 is 18. So you see, then again I can group this and this. So it will be 19, or I can write in this way 468 into minus 9. Minus sign is taken with this, then plus 222 1 plus 18 19. So I stop. So you see, now this is of the form compare 6 is equal to 468 into x, so 468 into minus 9. That means what? X is equal to minus 9. Plus 222 into y, so plus 220 into 19. That means what? So therefore, x is equal to minus 9 and y is equal to 19. This is your x and this 19 is your y. So I have expressed the HCF as a linear relation between the numbers 468 and 222 in this way. So by moving upward. So this is one way. They are told to find in two different ways. So this is one way, that HCF 6 is equal to 468 into minus 9 plus 222 into 19. Where the values of the integers are minus 9 and 19. Now to find another way.
Start.
So this was one way. Now to find in another way, what we do, we add and subtract. Remember, we simply add and subtract product of the two numbers. 468 into 222. Then I subtract 468 into 222. So it is remain unchanged. And after that, what we do, I take these two common, 468. So 6 is equal to 468 minus 9 plus 222. Then I take this 222 common from this 222. Then 19 is left here. Then minus 468. Then you can get 6 is equal to 468 into something plus 222 into whatever the number. 222 into whatever the number. So that will be another way of expressing. Okay, that's all.